All right, everyone, sorry. I had a call I had to take. We're about to get lunch, but this is still going on. Huff and even more puff. Excited for Huff and even more puff. Oh my goodness, what? 2 more? I feel like the buzzsaw is gonna come in. I mean, it wants us to think that. 5 more? Well, that was interesting. She was like, careful drinks. She was like singing it. 2 more? No more? You silly corporate pig. Oh, 1. 1 more. Oh, there's the one we need. I mean, a lot of buzzsaws are showing up. Everyone, 4 more? Everyone says that it is the best time to keep going when you're seeing the symbols show up. Or it could be the biggest money drain. 1. You said 2. And you got 2. You got the wrong 2. 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, this is gonna be. Does it want more? Okay, we'll stay at 150, 225. Oh, 2 more, please. What's going on here? Oh, pigs. Oh, almost. 1 more row. What was that? $10.80. We like it. We would like it a lot more. 2 more? 2 more, please. Oh, I asked for the wrong 2 more. 4 more hats. Measure my tape. I want to measure my tape. And we are so far. We're measuring our tape. $8. We like that. 4 more? Oh, I was about to measure my tape in a toolbox, but oh, measure my tape again? Oh, okay. A little bit of measuring. The baby bit. Mr. Corporate Pig. Okay. Was that what we experienced at oh, Heidi? 2 more? Like they let you win in the beginning. Oh, things are happening, and then goodbye all your money 10 minutes later. Hopefully not one of those. We'd like to avoid that. 2 more, 1 more in the end. Oh, these bonuses are so fun to hit. Oh, okay. We're getting a lot of line hits here. Okay, a lot of line hits. A lot of close calls for bonuses, but 4. Ooh. 20 cents back. No one listens. Oh, corporate pig. We did get pig. She asked for pig. 2 more. 5. Oh, the most random way too. The most random way. 1, 1, 3, 1. That's like, I've never seen that one. That is like definitely an interesting formation there. Let's go with a small bet, but we can hit many, many things. We want to see more hats, Wolfie. Come on. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. No, it is anywhere, but we want them to overlap, obviously, with that. So, no, that's some other games. 1 more? Okay. Oh, nice, nice, people. This is what we want to see. We want to see a couple more golds. A couple golds to start with, I should even say. Oh, man, don't get ahead of myself. Oh, don't do that. That's not that one. Oh, okay, okay. 1 gold at least. The pressure is off a little bit. More, okay, there we go. Oh, we love it. Lunch is gonna taste a lot better after this bonus round. Lunch is gonna taste better. Come on, more. We wanna be greedy. Yes, yes. If we're not gonna get more, at least get gold. More, more, more. Okay, there we go. 4. So now if we get, let's get 1 more re-trigger here. And a random line hit, so I can measure my tape. Okay, okay. 1 more gold. Okay. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but we're so happy with 4 over here. Come on, Wolfie. Boop. We booped Wolfie. I'm not sure if he liked it. He is a vicious animal. We're at the win, I already mentioned. Come on, Wolfie. Be nice to us. Be nice to us. 1 of those, just a major, random major in here. Okay, okay. Here are the big ones, people. What are we gonna get? Wolfie, come on, excitingness. And what? Coins, big, big. Oh, okay, that's really nice. I mean, yeah, that's really good for 80 bucks for a $75 bet, 75-cent bet. It's almost, yeah, 110x. And anytime we're like, oh, I wish I was betting more, I wish I was betting more, there's a chance that the bonus just doesn't come if you're betting more. Maybe it's time to pop at minimum bet, you know, maybe the RNG would have been complete, you would have hit the button at a different time. So I understand when I'm like, oh, I wish I was betting bigger, but also that's nice, yes. Wifey said put the 25-cent lucky one that we had. And we're gonna go grab food actually right now, so yeah, I'll do 2 backup spins. 5 more, random 5 more. It was so random. It was like 1, we were like, oh, it's never gonna come. 1, and then 2, yeah, but then boom, boom. That was a insane configuration. We love that. Got 50 bucks back. We lost from Heidi earlier. So yeah, we will be back. Like I said, we're at the Win. We're gonna go eat some sushi, and then we will be back for more. Love you all. See you soon.